Hello, my name is Paul Aguirre. Since coming on board with Labor Central, we not only have been able to find WorkSource as a subcontractor, we've also been able to provide WorkSource as a contractor, and we've been able to do this on a national scale. A lot of what you find in different work platforms is limited ability from the sub and a lot of limited scope from the contractor. The team over at Labor Central, they go a long way to pairing that relationship together, really clearing the expectation and identifying the needs of dialogue. We've been in business as a managed services provider nationwide with a lot of national companies for the past 15 years. And there hasn't been a solution to find work source or find providers. With Labor Central, they have become that resource for us, and we are now doing business with multiple nine-figure companies across the country, providing roofing services and more. And it is entirely due to a meet and greet set up by Labor Central. We have had a positive experience, and we look forward to continuing our relationship with Labor Central.